In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN, sorry, excuse me, through the Windows server that we would have set up with all of the previous functions that we would have done before. So first we'll go into Tools. No, sorry. We're going to go into Add Roles and Features. Can go ahead and click Next, leave it as role based. Make sure that our previous server is selected. Click Next, and for the server roles, we're going to want to add remote access. So make sure that our box is ticked, and we click Next. Now, since we had selected the role that we want, it will automatically select the features that it's going to need for us. As you can see here, for example, remote server administration tools is checked. And we didn't check that in any previous videos. Additionally, there's no, like a tick inside the box, so these are going to need to install. I'm gonna go ahead and click next. This is giving us some information on what exactly we're installing. And as you can see here, with our remote access, we do have access to the VPN. So go ahead and click next. Feel free to read through this in case you need any additional information, of course. For the real services, for now, all we're going to want is the direct access and VPN. So we'll get this pop-up, and we will simply just need to add the features. This will select all the features that we will need for the VPN, of course. So I'll accept those and continue. This gives us additional information about the web server role. And we get the associated services. It should be okay. Let me double check if there's anything that I need. So I believe everything is fine. So you can go ahead with the confirmation. Of course, double check if there's anything out of place or potentially missing. And we can hit install. Right. Let the installation process begin and allow it to finish. Right. So now our installation is complete, so we can close the roles and features wizard. See if there's anything else we may need. Don't think so. So we could go back into tools and we could go back to routing and remote access. And now that we're on this screen, we can go ahead and right click on the server, our local server, and we'll go ahead with configure and enable routing and remote access. Here we will get a setup wizard, and we can see any configuring that we need to do. So we're going to do a custom configuration because we're going to select everything that we need for this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and do a custom configuration and click next so that I can select what I need, which in that case would be simply just VPN access. So I'll select it, VPN access, and click next and finish. Again, as you see here, you may get an error similar to this. We need to manually open the routing and remote access in the Windows firewall. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the search button here and type in Windows firewall and run it as admin one time. Now what we're going to want to look for here is the let's see what it was, routing and remote access. And in the firewall, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to allow two specific ports that we're going to need.